make sure that I'm continually connected with the ball.
Yeah, and at a gut level, at a physical, yeah, exactly, yeah. And could you do that just with your Boast cross court? Yeah, exactly. If you did that with a Boast cross court drill, just the basic.
Yeah, just so practice the drill. That's training to stay engaged with it, I suppose. Yeah, and continue practicing half volley.
Tell me the practices to write down to make sure you're doing your homework. What that we did today.
Boast cross court, solo drills.
Yeah, and what are the little tips that I gave you during that? Set yourself up how for the cross court? As if you were going to hit?
As if I was going to hit a straight drive.
So how important is that left foot coming around the back?
That's the bounce protocol, as you called it.
Did you find that useful to you personally?
I did, strangely.
Yeah. Well, it's
like you said, it's taking your focus off. Almost completely takes the pressure of hitting the shot away, because all you're thinking about is just saying bounce.
Right. Then suddenly, miraculously, you're hitting a good shot.
Yeah,
that's right.
Because you're not actually thinking. There's no pressure on the shot. You're not thinking about hitting the ball in a particular place in a particular way.
Yeah.
It's just.
Yeah, good.
Yeah,
so, what's the next drill? So the one to do with the partner is just Boast cross court on the half volley, and you might well want to do 50 and then switch so that you're doing the Boast. So one person does 50 backhand half volley cross courts to there, and one person does 50 Boasts, then switch over, and then switch over. So that's a good piece of work there, isn't it? And again, the accent on viscerally connecting with the ball for the whole drill, so that there's never a moment at which you and the ball are not mentally, physically, emotionally connected. And also the idea of setting up as if you're going to hit the straight ball, and then using, because when you set up as if you can hit the straight ball, you load your body more, right? Can you see that coiling? And therefore, how much potential have you got compared to if you just run straight towards the ball? And so then it's much easier to use the legs to push off. Yeah. Okay. What was the progression from that simple Boast cross-court drill that we did?
You added a straight option.
Yeah.
As well, straight addition.
So the first progression is the person at the back who's doing the feeding is hitting Boast straight, and then you're going to do that both sides.
Yeah.
Right. Then you add Boast straight, and then when this cross court comes, straight, another straight, then the cross court. Okay. All right. And once you've got to the point where you're feeling pretty happy with that, because that's quite a lot of work, then you're going to go and start doing the simple ghost dead half volley short. So taking pace off the half volley short. All right, and you can start off by doing 50 easy ones, and then doing 50 at a faster pace, so that you're having to really meet a ball that's been hit firmly. Okay, and you've got both sides of that to do. Is that quite a lot of work to do?
It's a lot to remember and write down.
It is, all right. What did I teach you about the relationship between the toes and the fingers?
It should be, well, there should be a relationship, and there should be a conscious relationship.
And can you use your toes to control your entire being? If you think about the toes, are you going to be more effective with your fingers because there's more precision involved? Do you see what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Okay. So that's quite a lot of work. All right. But thanks. You did great. Cheers.